15. 20 is 35.
Yeah, so this is insanity. On the yard sale treasure map, it looked like it was like a garage sale moving sale, but it appears that it's actually an estate sale run by a company, so I was not expecting this.
I know what I want.
In front there, someone's buying all that. Oh no, it's okay. I was just looking. There you can look.
Yes, 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 yes.
Someone just gets emotionally attached. Oh, I love it. I love it.
Yeah, that's usually how it goes.
Yeah, I know.
Still a little bit. There's nothing on the bottom though.
Not legit.
Yeah. Wow. There's a ton of stuff.
Ron,
What? Oh, sorry. Get out of your way.
I'm actually heading up the stairs.
Oh. Where do I go? No problem.
Who's Scott?
I don't know. Your bow? Yeah, you can have her bow.
Where does it go here?
What?
We're in New Hampshire back when there was horse and buggy.
It's an old paper, huh?
1973.
Wow.
No.
The ball cards.
You know this guy?
Nope. Those are old 90s ones. What is that? Oh, it's an accordion. Tape recorder. Get that.
I don't know how to play that. Big.
Wow, sweet find.
It's $5 for all that.
There's a lot of them in there. I'm definitely pulling out a picture right there.
Yeah, I have the other one.
These are... Yeah, they're recording tapes. Just see books. DVDs or VHS?
VHS.
Is it?
Have you guys done in the bathroom?
Oh yeah, yeah, you can go in. I'm sorry.
Nope, you're fine. That's just the way they're chopping. No, you're good. Yeah.
Some of this stuff might be.
Another 20 years old to be my fellow.
I'm trying to read it.
It's makeup. It's powder. Foundation powder.
It's 25. It's too much. Another cassette recorder. What's in there? Missing the backing plate. Yeah. Alright, we'll leave it. Missing the back plate. That might be good.
Do you have the whole cork?
Yeah. Vintage little takes. Piggy bank.
How much is it?
2. Vintage toothbrushes. Probably should grab those.
For $5.
Yeah. Learned that from part-time picker.
Matthew.
Oop, excuse me. Sorry. This is quite the sale, huh?
Downstairs was
It's
crazy.
like super cramped. Piano. Look at that clock. $300. Wow. There's more.
This is an old Verizon phone.
What's that? You want the Scrabble?
How much is it?
I don't know. You get it?
You want to take that?
$200. Is it okay if I just make my pile?
Yeah, anywhere in the grass.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, everything out here is people's piles.
Okay, cool. Baseball cards.
I'm offering 25 on these.
Well, whatever's priced at. Is that what it is? Yeah,
We
no
just
deal.
opened. No, that's not.
How much are the hats?
Somebody just bought them.
Oh, these are taken?
$5 a piece.
Okay, thank you. Sorry. So we're gonna have to pay whatever it is. We're not negotiating today.
What were these ones?
Yeah, could we check out? Yeah, thank you.
All right, so we got
5,
game 5.
10, 11, 12.
Did he have those for $1?
These were with the DVDs, yeah, which were a buck a
These were-
piece.
All right, I'll do it. He did it, but usually these ones we sell for like $10.
Okay.
But that's all right.
All right. 13, 14, 19. What did you have on the Scrabble game? There was no price on it.
I could do $3 for that.
$3. And then the stickers are 20.
We're going too fast for her.
Sorry.
I already wanted
Slow,
to.
so
No
I'm
worries.
no worries.
Those are in like mint condition.
Yeah, pretty nice.
They're really nice. All right, so we got 5, 10, 15, 20 is 35, 67,
42.
There's 40. I might have 2 here. 42. There we go. Thank you.
If there's more stuff that you like and you want to come tomorrow,
Come
we
back.
can bargain a little bit.
Okay, very good.
Yeah.
Thank you.
you.
Appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Have a great day. Why did you pick up the Scrabble game? What were you looking for the Scrabble on?
I wanted a cue.
You want a what?
The cue.
The cue?
A wooden cue.
Why?
Because my friend at work, Beth, her mom does crafty things with only the wooden ones.
Oh.
And she
And those are wooden pieces because it's
and
a
those are
vintage.
wooden. Yeah.
Right.
So I think she can order them, but you can only order one cue once a year.
Okay. Yeah.
So I don't know why they do that, but
Yeah, I
saw
mean,
that it's wooden.
so $42 for all this? That's a pretty good deal, I think. Yeah. I was not expecting that. That sale was ridiculous.
That house was like way bigger on the inside than it looked on the outside.
Yeah.
Way bigger.
I kind of wish we got there when it started because I'm sure there was some crazy good stuff in there. Like vintage, like new old stock kind of things.
Well, I think.
You know what I mean?
Oh yeah.
That's the vibe I was getting in there. But we found some good stuff anyway. Pretty good.
Yeah, you got some good deals because apparently that P90X was a lot more.
Yeah, we can't sell it on eBay, but for a buck, I'll take it, you know? Sell it on somewhere. Mercari? Maybe Mercari? I don't know.
I don't know. You better sell it though. I think you're supposed to have other pieces though, like that pull-up bar thing.
Yeah, well, it's just the DVD set. For $1, I'm gonna take it, you know? Even if we can't sell it on eBay. I know, I was not expecting that. We didn't come prepared. We didn't bring our IKEA bag with us.
Way in your truck though.
I know, I have a bunch of them in there. I should have brought it. All right, trying to get out of here is like a chore and a half, dude. Look at this road. There's no way I can go down there. I have to turn around, go this way. Sorry, person's driveway. This is nuts, man.
If you don't know, Ryan hates going in other people's driveways.
I don't hate it. I just think it's weird. I don't know. I don't want them to come out, get off my lawn! Come out with a shotgun or something.
Lawn, you drive.
I don't know.
Nobody
It's just
would
not my
ever
thing.
do that.
Okay. Would it be a day of picking without going to Bagel Cafe?
Yeah.
So, this is another location, but
This is the original location.
there's 2 locations in New Hampshire of Bagel Cafe. Best bagels in the world.
Yes, the dad opened up this one, and then the one in Bedford, the son owns.
Yeah, Pam actually knows, you know them from like your work, right? Didn't you like clean their teeth or something?
Yeah.
If you've been watching our videos for a while, you know that we go here all the time.
Yeah.
Let's go get some food. So if you're local, you've never been here, you're missing out.
Oh my gosh, so good.
Whoop! Look at that. That's good stuff right there.
All right, got the IKEA bag of stuff. Probably should have used this at the sale, not once I'm home. Just a little tip there, that's what you're supposed to do. So we spent $42 at this sale. Pam found this big old box of blank sealed media. Now I looked up these model numbers, or this type of cassette tape. We bought all of these for $5. There's 21 in here. This one's different from all the others. There's 21 in here. They are selling in lots of 10 for about $20 plus shipping. So that's probably what I'll do. I'll make 2 lots of 10, sell them for 20 a whack, and get on with my life. Found this Little Tykes football piggy bank. I knew it was vintage right away, I could tell. This was just a blind buy. I had kind of a gut feeling that it might be worth a little bit of something. It was $2 at the sale, and this exact one sold for like $12 plus shipping. There's some listed for 15 to 20 currently. I only think there's 3 other listed currently. So I might price it around $15 plus shipping and see what I can get for it. Now these shoes were a bad buy. I was hoping that they were going to be better. They are kid size. They're kid size 5. Why? Nike Air Max generally, if you see them out in the wild and they're in great shape, it's definitely worth picking them up. Nike Air Max is a great line of Nike shoes. They usually are much higher end than any other Nike. I'm not a sneakerhead. I don't know a lot about sneakers, but I do know Nike Air Max are generally higher in value. These I'll probably get my money back out of. I paid 20 bucks for them. They're selling for probably about 20. Maybe I can get upwards of 30, hopefully, but we'll have to see. It happens. We all make bad buys, and we all learn from it. But yeah, so Nike Air Max, definitely keep an eye out for them if you ever see them out there in the wild. But don't screw up like me and buy a $20 pair of Nike Air Max for 20 bucks. Now this is kind of a weird find. I learned this from my good buddy over at Part-Time Pickers, Matt. He buys all kinds of obscure things at estate sales that you would never expect to be worth anything. These I don't know. I looked them up on eBay. These are toothbrushes. They're vintage toothbrushes from 1993, and they're biodegradable. They're called the Green Brush. I couldn't find anything looking quick on eBay, so I'm not sure really what they're worth. I got 4 of them here, and I just have some other Colgate ones. I don't think these are vintage or anything, so I don't know. Probably won't be able to get anything out of these, but paid $5 for all of them, and I was banking on the fact that possibly these things could be worth a little bit of money, because I've seen Matt do very well with vintage toothbrushes in the past, so I was like, yeah, I'll take a shot on it for $5. That's the thing about this sale. Unfortunately, they were not negotiating. It had just started. The sale had just started, and that's how it is with estate sales. Usually they try to get the most they can the first day, and then they'll start to negotiate on the second and third day. So their prices weren't that bad anyway, so I was willing to pay up for everything I got. It wasn't that big of a deal, but if you don't really go to estate sales, that's something to remember, that if you go the first day, most likely the prices are going to be high and they're not going to want to negotiate. But that's how it works. That's how it goes. All right, now I picked these 2 things up here. This P90X Extreme Home Fitness Workout Routine. It's the complete set. That one is open. And then I also have the Body Beast sealed by Beachbody. Now I do not believe I can sell either of these on eBay. And don't let the comps fool you. If you look up these on eBay, they're selling like crazy. And they're selling for pretty good money, probably like 30 bucks a piece, maybe, like 20 to 30 a piece. But I paid $1 a piece for these, by the way, so that was a pretty good deal, and that's why I did. But you will probably get a strike on your account. They might not suspend you on your first offense, but I don't want to risk it. Even if you do sell it, they might still be able to come back and get you for it. You're not supposed to sell these on eBay. For whatever reason, the P90X company decided that they don't want people selling their product on eBay for whatever reason. So when you list them, eBay will either take it down, or if they miss it, you might get a strike on your account. I don't really know what would happen, but I know that it's not good to list them. So I'm not going to list these on eBay. I don't know what I'm going to do with them. If I can sell them on Mercari, I'll try. But for $1 a piece, I just grab them because I know that there is money to be made here. I just got to figure out, you know, where I can make that money. All right, so I picked up this Radio Shack tape recorder, cassette tape recorder, and it's in really good shape. I'll have to test it out to make sure it works. It has the back battery cover, and I don't see why it won't work. It's in really good shape. But we've done very well with tape recorders in the past. They always sell really quickly and for some really good money. This was $5. I shouldn't have any problem getting 20 to 30 bucks for this one. And I'll probably, what I'll do is I'll probably lot it up with this extra cassette tape that I got with the other cassette tapes. So I'll put that with it in the listing, add a little bit of flair to the listing, and hopefully get it to move. Maybe I can ask a little bit more with the tape. Cassette recorders and players are really something to look out for when you're out there in the field. They sell for great money and really quickly, so good find there. Then finally, Pam picked up this Scrabble game here. Now this is a vintage Scrabble game from 1989. And she got it because she wants a specific piece for her friend, so I don't know if we're actually even gonna sell this. But if we were to sell this particular game right here, it would go for about $15 plus shipping. All right, so real quick, I wanna show you all a YouTuber that I've been watching and really enjoying. I got recommended to check him out by Lonnie over at Garage Flips. He gave him a big shout out, which Lonnie actually helped us in a big way when we first started about a year ago now. So we can relate to, I'm sure, how he's feeling right now. He had 40 subs before the shout out, and now he has almost 800. This guy's channel is really cool. He's a part-time reseller, which we can relate to as well. You know, we do it part-time. He has a full-time, really good job. He's a full-time dad. He has kids. And he just seems like a really genuine, cool guy. The premise of his whole channel is that he's reselling part-time to be able to buy a Tesla. Like, he's saving up for a Tesla using only reselling profits. So I think that's super cool. I'm excited to watch his documentary, basically. He's basically documenting his whole process in trying to get this Tesla. But his channel name is, it's easy to remember, The Tesla Picker. And this is him right here. His name is David. And he's a great video editor, and he's really funny. He's fun to watch. And I am just really digging his videos. I think this guy is gonna be big. I really do. I believe he's from Kentucky or the Kentucky area, so hopefully we'll get to meet him at the reseller rally, but I'm really liking this guy. So guys, if you're interested, don't miss out on this guy. I'm gonna leave his channel link down in the description below. Go subscribe, go watch his videos, binge watch everything he's got up there. Get caught up on what he's doing, but great guy. So go check him out. All right guys, well that's gonna about do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. It was definitely fun to get out and hit a sale. Garage sales are fast approaching. I don't think we'll probably have them regularly for probably another month. But it was nice to get out there and buy a few things. Nonetheless, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. That would help us out greatly. And if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, make sure that you're subscribed so you don't miss out on any of our future adventures, because we're going to be going on a lot here this year. And it's going to be a whole lot of fun. We want to bring you guys along with us. We really enjoy this. We really enjoy sharing our lives with you guys. And have a great rest of your day, everybody. And until next time, we'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.